Every neighborhood in America has at least one old lawnmower going to the curb every single week. People walk past them. They get hauled to scrap because the engine seized or the pull cord broke. The components inside a single old lawnmower are worth more than most of the survival gear sold in starter kits, and almost nobody recognizes what they are. 5 things inside every dead mower that nobody thinks to grab. Why the harvest window is open right now. Before the grid fails, every old lawnmower in your neighborhood is a free mechanical workshop sitting on the sidewalk. After the grid fails, those same units are at the scrapyard 30 miles away and you cannot reach them. The harvest window is open right now while they are being thrown out as broken equipment. Most people walking past a curbside mower see rusted metal and a useless engine. Trained eyes see a small 4-stroke engine still capable of running, a hardened steel cutting blade, a complete fuel system with precision machined carburetor components, a maintenance-free ignition system, and a heavy-duty wheel assembly with sealed bearings, all sitting there waiting for someone who recognizes what they actually are. The 5 components on this list each pull from a different functional system inside the unit. A socket wrench set, a Phillips screwdriver, side cutters, and roughly 60 minutes per unit are all the tools you need to access every one of them. Most people will watch this video and do nothing. The ones who don't will recognize what's actually inside the next mower they walk past on trash day. Component 1. The small 4-stroke engine. Every gas-powered lawnmower contains a 140 to 190 cubic centimeters single-cylinder 4-stroke engine, typically a Briggs & Stratton, Honda GCV, or Kohler Courage. These engines are designed for hundreds of hours of operation under sustained load. They do not fail because the engine itself died. They get thrown away because the carburetor gummed up from stale fuel, the pull cord snapped, or the owner could not be bothered to drain old gas before storage, and the carburetor varnished shut. The engine block, the piston, the crankshaft, the camshaft, and the valve train are almost always still functional and ready for redeployment. The harvest is straightforward. Disconnect the engine from the deck, label the throttle cable and ignition leads, drain any remaining fuel, and the power plant pulls free in 20 minutes. Once recovered, a working small engine becomes the heart of any number of off-grid mechanical systems: water pump drives for raised bed irrigation, small generators when coupled to an alternator from the abandoned vehicles you should also be harvesting, wood splitters for fuel preparation, grain mills for emergency food processing, and emergency transportation when adapted to a small cart or wheeled platform. A new 4-stroke engine of this size costs $250 to $450 at any small engine dealer. 2 lawnmowers in your stockpile means 2 engines ready for redeployment at 0 acquisition cost. Component 2. The hardened steel cutting blade. Every rotary lawnmower has a hardened steel blade 18 to 22 inches long, sharpened on both ends, balanced for high RPM rotation, and made from heat-treated carbon steel that holds an edge through thousands of cuts during normal operation. These are not soft blades. They are precision-engineered cutting tools that can be resharpened repeatedly with a hand file and reshaped for specific applications when removed from the mower deck. The harvest takes 5 minutes once you have the unit disconnected from the engine. Block the blade with a piece of wood, remove the center bolt with a socket wrench, and the blade lifts free as a single piece of premium hardened steel ready for repurposing. The post-collapse applications include resharpening as a defensive tool, reshaping as a draw knife for woodworking projects, cutting down into multiple smaller blades for trade goods that hold value in any barter economy, mounting on a hand-cranked or pedal-driven shaft for emergency processing of grain or fibrous plant material, and use as a high-quality steel stock for any forging or metalworking project that requires carbon steel as the raw material. 3 lawnmowers yield 3 pieces of premium hardened steel at zero acquisition cost. New mower blades run $20 to $40 each. Component 3, the fuel system components. Every gas-powered mower includes a fuel tank ranging from 1/4 to 1 gallon capacity, a carburetor with multiple precision machined brass and aluminum components, fuel lines, a primer bulb, and an inline fuel filter. The fuel tank itself is heavy-duty polyethylene rated for gasoline storage at temperatures from -20 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. The carburetor contains jets, needles, gaskets, and a float assembly that are precision machined and essentially impossible to improvise in a post-collapse environment without functioning manufacturing infrastructure. The harvest takes 15 minutes. Disconnect the fuel lines, unbolt the carburetor from the engine block, drain the tank thoroughly into a separate container. Remove the entire assembly intact. The practical applications are simple. Use the tank as a secure fuel storage container for any other small engine. Use the carburetor as a complete replacement unit for any compatible small engine whose original carburetor has failed from corrosion or contamination. Use the fuel lines as flexible, petroleum-rated tubing for improvised liquid transfer. Keep the spare components as barter inventory in a post-collapse trade economy for anyone who needs to keep equipment running. Stockpile the fuel systems from every mower you encounter. Component 4, the Magneto ignition system. Every gas mower contains a Magneto-style ignition system with a coil mounted near the flywheel, a spark plug threaded into the cylinder head, and a kill switch wire that grounds the system when released. This is the simplest and most reliable ignition technology ever deployed in consumer equipment, designed to operate for thousands of hours with zero maintenance and no battery dependency of any kind. The harvest takes 10 minutes. Disconnect the spark plug wire, unbolt the ignition coil from the engine block, and remove the spark plug from the cylinder head with a deep socket. Post-collapse applications include using the complete ignition system as a replacement for any other small engine with the same configuration, using the coil as a high-voltage generator for electrical ignition tasks, and using the spark plug as a precision-threaded component with a hardened electrode that is useful in improvised electrical discharge systems. A new ignition coil for a small engine runs $25 to $50 at any small engine parts supplier. 2 mowers yield 2 complete ignition systems ready for immediate redeployment when needed. Component 5. This is the one I held for the end because most people walk past it without recognizing what it is. The heavy-duty wheel assembly and bearings. Every push mower has 4 7 to 10-inch wheels mounted on hardened steel axles with sealed ball bearings designed to roll under sustained load across uneven terrain for years without maintenance. The wheels themselves are heavy-duty polymer construction or rubber-tired metal hubs designed to handle ground impact and abrasive contact with dirt and gravel. The bearings are precision-engineered, sealed units rated for thousands of hours of rotation under radial and axial load. The harvest takes 10 minutes. Remove the wheel retention clips, slide the wheels off the axles, and recover the bearings from the hub assemblies. Typical applications include cart construction for any off-grid hauling project, wheelbarrow replacement when the original wheel fails, dolly construction for moving heavy supplies between locations, hand truck modification for steeper terrain, and using the bearings themselves as precision rotational components for any improvised mechanical system that requires smooth, low-friction rotation. 2 mowers yield 8 wheels and 8 sealed bearings at zero acquisition cost. New sealed bearings of this size cost $8 to $15 each at any bearing supplier. The wheel assembly is the single most overlooked component on the entire mower. 5 components inside every old lawnmower that most people do not recognize for what they actually are. The small engine is 140 to 190 cubic centimeters. a 4-stroke power plant ready for water pumps, generators, wood splitters, and emergency transportation. The cutting blade is hardened carbon steel for defensive tools, draw knives, and forging stock. The fuel system is a complete storage and delivery assembly with precision machined components that cannot be improvised. The ignition system is a battery-free spark generator with thousands of hours of remaining service life. The wheel assembly is heavy-duty, hauling hardware with sealed bearings for cart and dolly construction. 5 functional systems inside one appliance that most people are paying to have hauled away as scrap. The complete harvest takes 60 minutes per unit with hand tools. The recovered value from a single lawnmower exceeds $300 in functional capability that you cannot purchase in a post-collapse environment at any price. Most people will watch this video and do nothing. They will walk past 2 mowers on trash day this week and not recognize what they are actually looking at. You're not. You are already thinking about which curb has bulky item pickup this week. If you want the exact disassembly walkthrough for each of these 5 components, including the tools, the order of operations, and the storage methods that keep them functional for years, subscribe to this channel. The next video covers the 4 items inside every leaf blower and the 6 items in every chainsaw that perform similar functional transformations. The harvest opportunities in your neighborhood are bigger than most people realize. You just finished learning the next one.